Good day to each and everyone. I am Munira Jane A. Dakda, a 19-year-old student of Bachelor of Secondary Education, Senior English major at Laguna State Polytechnic University, Santa Cruz Main Campus. In my 19 years of existence, I experienced to be a responsible student, honor, awardee, graphic artist, writer, tutor, an actress, competitor, leader, and a good follower. Now, I am grateful that I have this opportunity to become one of the students that will travel for a campus training to gain new learning experience and to improve our skills in teaching. This opportunity serves as my inspiration to keep on working hard. They say that teacher is a good leader. As a future educator, I am existing now as a good follower because a good follower can be a good leader. I will assure that this given opportunity would be worth because I will do my best to accomplish everything. I spend my spare time on reading books, writing poems, and watching interesting shows. I always want to make everyone proud of whatever I do. It is not enough that I wish to achieve something. I always work for it. The more I am determined, the more I am along to the road of success. Thank you.